Hello students, now we'll do for microstate table for 3D2 configuration or derivation of RS terms for ND2 configuration, you can say 3D2, 4D2, 5D2 or ND2, any configuration. That means two electrons are there in the d orbital. Now all of you know from earlier videos there are 5 steps to get derivation for RS terms or to construct the microstate table. Now we'll do one by one. So from these 5 steps, step number 1. Step 1 is find total microstates. I will write in short. Total microstates for that configuration. Okay, by factorial formula. So all of you know factorial formula. Capital N total capacity of the orbital, small n actual electrons, then n minus n factorial. Okay, all of you know this. This is the total capacity of the orbital. Now this is d orbital, so total capacity is 10. So this here it will come 10 factorial. Okay. How many electrons are there in the orbital? 2 electrons. 3d2 configuration, therefore 2 electrons. So here 2 factorial. In bracket 10 minus 2 factorial, 10 minus 2, you can write this way. Now you solve this. How to solve? So you have to just write 10 into 9 into 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, into divided by 2, 1 and 8 into right on all. So you just cancel this will be 5. So 9 5s are 45. So that means total microstates for 3D2 configuration are 45. We have to make 45 combinations of 2 electrons in tabular form, and that is nothing but microstate table. Okay, this is step 1. Now step 2. Step 2 is you have to get the ml and ms values. ml and ms values. Now how to get ml value? We'll do first ml. Now all of you know there are 2 electrons. So we'll label these 2 electrons as ml1 for first electron. This is first electron, you can write. And ml2 second electron in the same orbital. Okay, all of you know orientations for d orbital. Those are plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, and for second electron that is also in d orbital. So same, minus 2. Now you have to sum up to get this ml value or capital L value, we can say. Earlier we have done that. Orbital angular momentum quantum number. This is total orbital angular momentum quantum number. So you have to just sum up first and last of values. So plus 4 to minus 4. Whatever values will come on in this range you have to write, including 0. So these are the ml values. Okay, this way we have to get the ml. Okay, ml is nothing but total orbital angular momentum quantum number. Now ms. ms is what? Total spin angular momentum quantum number. Okay, how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. How many combinations we can make? Either these 2 electrons will be parallel, one parallel, another anti-parallel, or both anti-parallel. So plus half, plus half, plus half, it will come plus 1. Here plus half minus half, it will come 0. And here minus half, it will come minus 1. So these are the ms values, plus 1, 0, minus 1. And these are the ml values, plus 4 to minus 4, including 0. Okay. Now step number 3. For this 3D2 configuration, we'll write here our configuration is 3D2. That means 2 electrons in d orbital. Okay. So we calculated ml and ms values. These are the ms values, plus 1, 0, minus 1, 3. And ml values will start with 4. Okay. We'll write while writing the so plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So these are the ml values. So we'll complete first one block. So if you look at plus 4. Now what choice we have? As this is d orbital, we have choice of 5 values. That is plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So these are the 5 values we can make combinations for preparing microstate. Microstate is Ml1, first electron, 2 electrons are there, Ml2, on the head first Ms1, second Ms2, and this is in a round bracket. So this is our microstate, allowed combination of Ml and Ms values, and we have these 5 values to write combinations, right? So if we look at this block where Ml is plus 4 and Ms is plus 1, can we write by making some combination from this, so that sum of Ml values will come plus 1 and sum of Ms values will come sum of Ml values will come plus 4 and Ms will come plus 1. Okay. If you look at 2 plus 2 plus, for example, we'll write here 2 plus 2 plus. But if you know from earlier microstate tables, for this both the electron, this is first electron Ml, this is second electron Ml, this is first Ms1, second Ms1. If we look at for both the electrons, so all 4 quantum number values are same over here. So this microstate is not allowed over here. Okay. And is there any other possibility? No. In this block there is no any possibility. So we'll just take it out, because that is not allowed and that is not obeying Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, so these blocks will remain as it is, dash. But that same microstate we can write over here, 2 plus 2 minus. Okay, because we have changed one spin quantum number. So this is now allowed. 2 plus 2, 4, plus half minus half, 0. So this microstate is allowed over here. Now like this we have to make the 45 combinations. Now if we look at plus 3, this. So here what we can write? 2 plus 1 plus. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3, plus half will come plus 1. Is there any other possibility to write over here? I don't think. So we'll write for 0. Here 2 plus 1 minus, just change the spin sign, 2 minus 1 plus. Okay, this is no. Okay, and this same we can write over here, 2 minus 1 minus. That means 2 plus 1, 3, and minus half minus 1. Okay, so this block is over. Now come to 2. Now for 2 we can write 2 plus 0 plus. Okay, this is allowed because we have changed 1 ml. Now here same we can write 2 plus 0 minus 2 minus 0 plus, these two. Okay, here 2 minus 0 minus. This way we can complete this whole table and then we can go for labeling. Pause. Yes, we'll continue with the writing of this microstate table for 3D2 configuration. So I have made the combinations of by using these 5 values, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and Ms values you know for 2 electrons, plus half and minus half. So accordingly I have made the combinations. You can see this table, but this table is not complete because I don't have place over here down. After minus 1 you have to write minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, and you have to just change the sign of ml values, that means numbers. So see, for example, minus 1, how I have written, plus 1 was 1, 0, 1 plus 0 plus 1. You have to just change the sign of this plus 1, 1 number, I mean, okay, ml value this. So it will come minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0, it will come minus 1. Similarly, I have changed 2 minus 1 will come plus 1. Similarly, minus 2 plus 1 will come minus 1. This way, while going down below 0, you have to just change the sign of ml value. On the head values, those will remain as it is, whatever, because these numbers are there, spin numbers. Only ml numbers we are changing. So this way you have to complete the 45 microstates. Now how it will be 45, I'll tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So above 0, 18, below 0, 18. 18 plus 18, 36, right? And for 0, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 45. So this way you have to complete 45 combinations of 2 electrons in ND2 configurations. Okay. So this was the third step. Now, fourth step, this was the construction of table. Now we'll go for labels, right? Last step. And for labels, okay, this construction of table was third step. Now fourth step is the labels. I have done more here. In short, I'll explain you how these labels I have done for whole table. Now, as I explained in earlier microstate table, we have to consider first microstate in the table. Okay, so first microstate was 2 plus 2 minus. That means 2 plus 2 ml value is plus 4. Okay, and plus half minus half ml value is 0. So in this block, whatever microstate will come, for that we have to write label G for 4. If L is 4, we are going to write that label is G, right? So G is there, and 2s plus 1 formula, total multiplicity, there we have to substitute this 0. So 2 into 0 plus 1 will come 1. Total spin multiplicity for this block will be 1G. Once you get RS symbol for this microstate, you have to find total multiplicity. Okay, how to get total multiplicity? To get total multiplicity for any RS term, we have to use formula 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1. And in that formula, 2 into G, L is what for G? 4. So 2 into 4 plus 1 in one block. In another block, we have to write directly 1, because we have already calculated 2S plus 1 formula, and that will result into 9. So 1G we can label for 9 microstates in this column where ms is 0, not in ms plus 1 or minus 1. We have to just see ms is equal to 0 column, and these blocks will be total 9 from plus 4 to minus 4. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3 more, 7, 8 and 9. So total blocks will be 9. Therefore it confirms that whatever we have done is also correct. Now, okay, 1G we have labeled for 9 microstate in ms is equal to 0 and ml is equal to plus 4 to minus 4, only in this column. Now we have to find next microstate which is unlabeled, and this is in this column where ml is equal to plus 3 and ms is equal to plus 1. So what label will come for L is equal to 3, F, capital F, and if we substitute 2s plus 1 formula, this plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, so it will come 3. So now this RS term is 3F. Again we have to get the total multiplicity for 3F by 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1 formula, and that will come 21. That means we can label 3F RS term for 21 microstates in this table. And if you see from plus 3 to minus 3, all blocks and those blocks will be 21. Okay, so start from this block, that means plus 3 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this till minus 3, all blocks, and those will be 21. Okay, now see where it is unlabeled next. If you come down, here it is unlabeled, where ml is equal to plus 2 and ms is equal to 0, and label will come 1D. Okay, and then find the total multiplicity of 1D. It will come 5 by 2L plus 1 into 2S plus 1 formula. That means we can label this 1D for 5 microstates. And as you know now, if we generate in the middle column, then we have to write that RS term only in the middle column. And if you see from plus 2 to minus 2, only there are 5 columns. So there we can write 1D for those microstates till minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and below minus 2, 5. So total 5 microstates we can label with 1D. Now next see the table where it is unlabeled. Next to here. Here it is unlabeled. Where ml is equal to plus 1 and ms is equal to also plus 1, and that time RS term will come 3p, because L is equal to 1, symbol is p, and if we substitute plus 1 in 2s plus 1 formula, it will come 3p. Now for 3p again we have to find the total multiplicity. That means for how many microstates we can label 3p, and if we substitute those values 2l plus 1 into 2s plus 1, we will get the value 9. That means we can write this 3p RS term from plus 1 to minus 1. All 9 blocks are there. So whatever we have done, again it is correct. So 3p 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 microstates we have labeled. After 3p, again we have to see where we have not labeled. Okay. where will come 4 we have written 1 2 3 4 are here 2 are there, 2 labels are there, come here 1 2 3 4 5, so one more is extra which is unlabeled, and this block is ml is equal to 0, ms is equal to 0. That means that microstate will come, if l is 0 symbol is s, and if we substitute 0 into s plus 1 formula it will come 1, so 1s, and total multiplicity for 1s will come 0 1. And if we do that, we have to write over here that microstate, and see that in whole table all microstates are labeled. Okay, don't miss any microstate which is not labeled. Now count this. 1G we have labeled for 9 microstates, 3F we have labeled for 21, 20 for 5, 3P for 9, 1S for 0 1, and if you do sum of this will come 43. So whatever 45 number of microstates were there for 3D2 configuration in the microstate table, we have labeled all. Now last step is remain, which will give you 1 mark when there is a subjective examination. We have derived 5 RS terms for this 3D2 configuration. But from this, which is the ground term, and how we decide? That we decide on the total spin multiplicity. First we have to consider. First consider total spin multiplicity, and then second rule you have to consider the total orbital multiplicity. So keep in mind always there is a first spin multiplicity, then maximum orbital multiplicity. So if you look at all these 5 RS terms, 2 times there is a maximum spin multiplicity. Once with this and second with this, 3F and 3P. Both are having 3 maximum spin multiplicity. But we cannot say that there are 2 ground state terms. We have to choose only one. So that we have to follow second rule, that is maximum orbital multiplicity. That is maximum L value. And therefore this 3F will come as a ground state term symbol. This is the RS term, ground RS term, we can say our ground state term symbol or ground RS term. If you know how to get RS term for 3D2 configuration, if you have done earlier, then you might be knowing this answer. 3F is the ground state term symbol for 3D2 configuration. Okay, thank you.